So here use your teeny tiny cute little flower. So in this project I will be using this 3-ply milk cotton yarn and a 3mm crochet hook, also a scissor and a tapestry needle. To begin, we have to make a magic ring. So to make a magic ring, we have to place the yarn like this diagonally, then around your two finger, make a cross and straight in the back. Place your pinky here and take your needle, take your hook and under the first yarn and over the second yarn. Then pull it through your first yarn and turn around like clockwise and take yarn over, pull it through your loop. So now we have a magic ring, also a chain. So first we have to take the working yarn with our left hand. So take it as the work is here. Take over and under your index like this. Now place your ring finger and pinky here and your middle finger and thumb will place here. So you have to make it tight with your index finger. So we have one chain and we will make another chain. So take your yarn, take your hook under the yarn, then turn it around, then pull it through your loop. So we have two chain now. Now make 2 double crochet. So to make a double crochet, we have to take a yarn first. So take yarn. So we have 2 loops. Then place your hook into your magic ring. Now take another loop from the back, then turn around, pull it, and you have 3 loops here. Now take yarn from behind, then pull it through 2 loops. 1, 2. Now again yarn over and pull it through 1, 2. So now we have 2 chain and 1 double crochet. We will make another double crochet. So yarn over, then place your hook into your magic ring, then yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Then take yarn, pull it through 2 loops, 2, then again yarn over and pull it through 1, 2. Now we have 2 double crochet. We will make 2 chains now. So yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Then we have to make a slip stitch. So to make a slip stitch, we will place the hook into our magic ring, then yarn over and pull through your loop. So we have our first petal. So we will make the same for the third petal. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. That's our 2 chains. Now make 2 double crochet. So to make a double crochet, we have to yarn over, place your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull it, then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, place your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops here. Now yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we will make 2 chains to finish the third petal. So yarn over and pull through, then place your hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. So pull through the loop. So it is your slip stitch. Now we will make our 5th petal. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. So we have 2 chains. Then make 2 double crochet, place your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops. Take yarn and pull through 2, take yarn and pull through 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Make 2 chain and make a slip stitch. So pull through your loop. Now minimize your magic ring. So take your tail and pull it hard, so like this. Now we have to make a chain. So after the last slip stitch, 5th, so we will make 1 chain. So yarn over and pull through the loop and cut the yarn. So now first you have to shorten your magic ring like this And now pull the other side and tie to your last chain. You can now use a tapestry needle to hide the yarn. So I just first place the needle like this, then so do the same to your next yarn. So now you can just cut the yarn. So